What's the dirtiest place on the human body? Hands or feet? Neither, really. Today, we'll take a look at the 6 dirtiest parts of everyone's body, especially the last place. You will never guess. Number 6, the belly button. Belly button is like a vacuum cleaner that specializes in eating bacteria. Because of its unique structure, it's also the easiest place to hide dirt. An American scientist has discovered there are 2,368 different types of bacteria in the human belly button. But here we still have to remind everyone, don't pick at the black, old dirt inside. Number 5, armpits. You can't even imagine how dirty your armpits are, due to the characteristics of the armpit area with many folds. Plus, the sweat glands secrete the most moisture and oil. The armpits can harbor tens of billions of bacteria in this warm, humid, dark, and airtight environment. A lot of bacteria eat, drink, and shit here. Their feces will produce a special sour odor. It's especially strong in the summer. But don't mess with the armpits, a delicate part of the body. Number 4, the mouth. Do you know how many bacteria live in your mouth every day? More than 200 billion. Even if you brush your teeth, there are at least 50 billion left. And when the bacteria break down the food waste, they also produce a lot of sulfur compounds and rancid breath. That's what we call bad breath. And that's just the least of the damage. If you don't watch what you eat and don't clean your mouth. Bacteria can also metabolize acids and slowly erode your white teeth into big holes until all your teeth are rotten. Number 3, eyelashes. As the protective barrier of your eyes, eyelashes can easily trap bacteria and other nasty things, and they produce more oil than any other part of the body. Number 2, the intestines. In the eyes of tiny bacteria, the human body is like a planet. Different parts of the body are home to different bacteria, and the most prosperous metropolis of the human planet is undoubtedly the intestines. It's home to more than 90% of the body's bacteria. The number of bacteria exceeds 100 trillion, weighing 1.5 kilograms. Humans have been able to analyze more than 4,600 species of intestinal bacteria alone. But if that's why you think it's dirty, it's a big mistake, because these intestinal flora have a key impact on human digestion, metabolism, immunity, mood, and so on. Functions even equivalent to a human organ. Number 1, nostrils. The human nose needs to filter more than 15,000 liters of air every day. Rhythmic cilia in the nose block aerosols, dust, bacteria, etc. in the air, and secrete mucus that coagulates the dirt into clumps, and when it dries, it forms dark-colored solid waste. That's boogers. But when the air around you is bad and you breathe in too many pollutants, the cilia can't move properly. The nasal passages will also deposit a lot of dirt and bacteria, becoming a small garbage dump. This garbage dump harbors more than 10,000 types of bacteria, more than 400 times more than the bacteria on a toilet. It's the dirtiest organ in the human body. I don't know if you ate boogers when you were a kid. Have you ever felt regret at this moment?